Annoyed by the live text feature automatically turning on? We're here to help. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn off live text on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off live text everywhere on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Then select General. Scroll down and tap Language and Region. Then tap the switch labeled Live Text to turn this feature off. This will turn off live text from the Camera app and the Photos app. If you'd like to disable live text for the Camera app only, open Settings and select Camera. Now tap the switch labeled Show Detected Text to disable this feature for the Camera app. Doing this will still leave live text on for the Photos app. That's all it takes to disable live text on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.